Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to activate WeChat Wallet. With the help of smartphones and the WeChat app's WeChat payment feature, users may swiftly make transactions. You can use your WeChat wallet to make purchases with a card or QR code just by launching the app. So tap me, go to services, and here it is. We have here wallet. Okay, and below are the transactions that you can make if you're going to open your wallet here in WeChat. So if you're going to tap wallet, you have options here. Just tap cards. And then once you tap cards, you just have to click again, add a card. And then here, you have to simply click verify for real name authentication. And then here, click accept. This is the agreement and policy. Now you just have to enter ID information, name, gender, ID type, ID number, ID effective date, occupation, address, and then click next. And then after doing that, you can just simply add your card or the details of your card. Once you have attached or once you have linked your card here, then you can simply use the following here. Legal services, we have here transportation and other things. So that's it. It will make your life simpler if you open a card or if you open or activate WeChat wallet. So I really hope that this video helped you. This is a very easy and quick tutorial, and actually there are tons of services that you can use once you open or activate your WeChat wallet. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.